James Clear's Atomic Habits is a self-help book that offers practical strategies for developing good habits and breaking bad ones. The book is based on the idea that small, incremental changes in our behavior can lead to significant improvements over time. Clear outlines a 4-step process for developing atomic habits. Create hints that prompt you to act to make habits more visible. For instance, leaving your gym clothes out the night before to encourage you to exercise in the morning. Make habits attractive by linking them with positive outcomes that you enjoy. Listening to audiobooks while exercising, for example, can make the activity more enjoyable. Make it easier to form habits by breaking them down into small, manageable steps. For instance, you could begin with a short workout routine and gradually increase the time as your fitness level improves. Make your habits more satisfying by celebrating your successes and rewarding yourself along the way. For example, after reaching a fitness goal, reward yourself with a massage. Clear also highlights the importance of identifying and breaking bad habits by making them less attractive, convenient, and satisfying. He underlines the value of focusing on systems rather than goals, as developing a system of positive habits will naturally lead to goal achievement. Overall, Atomic Habits is a practical and actionable guide to developing positive habits and breaking bad ones with simple and easy-to-implement strategies that anyone can use.